How to convert your PDF file into Excel sheet. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily convert your PDF file into an editable Excel sheet. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to convert your PDF file into an editable Excel file, first of all you have to open your Google and here you have to search for I love PDF. This is the website where you can convert your PDF file into an editable Excel file. So just click on this first website, I love PDF, and just scroll down, and here you have to click on PDF to Excel. Click on it and select PDF file and click on media picker, and here you have to select the PDF file that you want to convert into Excel file. For example, I want to convert my first file into Excel file. I will just click on it and click on convert to Excel, and I have successfully converted my PDF file into an editable Excel file. So I will just have to click on download and confirm download and click on open, and from here you can see I have successfully created my PDF file into Excel file. So if I want to change any value from here, you can convert, you can select here, you can change the color, you can highlight, and you can see it, you can do anything that you want. So guys, in this way you can convert your PDF file into an Excel file very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.